and say, hey everyone, this is my tour of online teaching certification, and say everything I want to say. When I'm done, I would say, I hope you really enjoyed the video. I'm going to go back to my meeting controls and I'm going to click stop share, and I'm going to, and you could pause your share whenever you need to. So I paused it for a second there and now I'm back. So you can pause whenever you need to. And in the end, you are making a video. And when you're all done, you're going to press stop share. And it's going to send your whole video up to the cloud. And the cloud is going to save your video, close caption it, and it's going to email you your video with closed captions. Then you could either upload it to Canvas, which I can show you, or you can upload it to YouTube, which I can also show you. The other thing I want to point out is if you want to do any type of lecture, you can change what you're sharing. So I could obviously right now open up a PowerPoint slide and do a full screen PowerPoint slide and say, hey, this is my introduction to probability lecture. Today we're going to learn about probability. So far, we've learned about descriptive statistics and blah, 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 blah. Now I'm going to launch into what probability is and how, scientists think about probability. So we can open up a PowerPoint slide and use conferzoom, and it will record what we're saying. It'll put subtitles in there. We could give a tour of a class by opening up a web page and, clicking around in the class. And as I said, when you're done, you click stop share, or you could also, I just want to point out, you could also do a whiteboard. That's important. So let's share a whiteboard and go to full screen. And, I can do a whole lecture here, learning grammar. And then I can go and type my notes in there as I'm talking. I could say, why is grammar important? And I can obviously give a whole lecture, and I have a whiteboard that I can type into. You could copy and paste notes onto the whiteboard, but you can do lectures with conferzoom. It will give you closed captions. And in the end, as I said, what we're going to do is we're going to press stop share and end meeting.